63 or 62 millimeter replacement turbo. This should be the drop-in. Cool sticker and a koozie. So we're going to take a look at this thing, see what it looks like. Get rid of the box. Let's take a look. So they say this turbo is a true drop-in. Of course, I already have the tuning done. I had it retuned by Blessed Performance for the just a toe tune, so it's non-VGT now. It's an S362 cast wheel, not billet, with the upgraded 360 bearing. This is what it looks like. So, should bolt in. They say it uses a stock oil drain tube. Looks like we got a new oil supply tube and a couple little adapter pieces here and a gasket. This thing should take care of my VGT issues now. So, looks pretty cool.